Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Metrobank credit card points. Before you can start enjoying your rewards, you have to know how to redeem your credit card points. Luckily, the Metrobank credit card reward points redemption process is pretty straightforward, regardless of the type of reward you are trying to redeem. So, the steps are as follows. Search for Mia of MetroCard on Facebook Messenger. Mia stands for Metrobank Interactive Assistant and serves as Metrobank's online chatbot. So search for this Mia of Metrobank credit card on Facebook Messenger. Start a chat with Mia by choosing Redeem Rewards from the automated menu. Now log into your Metrobank account using your credit card details. Enter the security code sent to your registered mobile number to verify your identity. Now select the reward you want to redeem. Also, processing your reward redemption will take 3 to 5 banking days from your request date. After that, you'll receive an SMS with a link to claim your reward. And by following all these steps, you can successfully use Metrobank credit card points. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.